My name is Satvik Bidale. I'm from Odisha, Kenya. The first time when I came to JSpider, I was worried about my placements and all. The quality of education which is provided here is very good. They start from the basics to the advanced. They clear all your doubts, and all the trainers are super friendly. I also learned many things from here. I applied. I got many chances to sit in the ongoing on-campus placement here in JSpiders, as well as I was trying outside, and finally I got placed. So I would like to say that the trainers here, they help us a lot to learn the new facts and all the technologies which are required to get a job. And I would like to say to all the students that you should work hard, and you should not give up hope that you will not get a job. It is really easy to get a job. So I would like to say, conclude that try your best, listen to your trainers, and work hard.